How to transfer TON from your Bybit to Binance. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up your Binance application. And once inside, you then want to click on the wallets below your screen. Inside wallets, you then want to click on the deposit button. And from here, you then want to type TON. Go ahead and click on the TON coin. Select the network for TON coin wallet. And from here, you then want to copy the address for your TON wallet right here. Right after copying the address, you then want to navigate through the Bybit application. And once inside, you then want to click on the assets below your screen. From here, all you have to do is to click on the deposit button, click on deposit crypto, and from here, you then want to search TON. Go ahead and click on the TON coin. Once again, select your network. And from here, all you have to do is to paste the address that we got from Binance. Unfortunately, my account here on Bybit is not yet verified, so I cannot go ahead and do that. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.